Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Hey everybody, checking back in on SPY, daily, weekly, shorter term time frames, and this is getting to be a pattern very clearly at this point. 4 of the past 5 days, we have bounced off the daily middle Bollinger Band support, and we keep testing it on oversold short-term conditions, leading to an easy bounce. And it's easy because it keeps playing out time and time again. So we'll look at it on the 5-minute time frame, but very clearly, the middle Bollinger Band, 225.97. We dipped a few pennies below it yesterday. The bulls bought the dip. Dipped below it today by a few pennies, and the bulls bought the dip. Ended up closing at the high of the day. So the range that we're still watching, there's not a ton of volatility. There's not a ton of trading opportunity, even in individual names. Certainly the opportunities are out there, but it's a lot easier when you have a clear direction, like the end of 2016, this bear move. There was a lot of clear bear plays where we have back and forth here. It's all about the middle Bollinger Band daily support and the all-time high, which is currently 227.75, $1 away from where we currently stand. Weekly time frame, inside candlestick last week, inside candlestick still this week. Only 2 trading days have gone by, but certainly a very tight range currently. And watching for a clear break of that range, we've been trading within $1 over the past 2 days. So a close at the high of the day, we're looking at 226.80, 227 psychological. And if we can break 227.40, we're looking for a new all-time high. That's as high as we got on the last bullish reaction to holding the middle Bollinger Band support. So if we can get higher than that, we have a higher low and a higher high. Checking in on the 5-minute time frame, so we knew what the middle Bollinger Band moving average was. It was down in the 225.90s, updated that level before the market opened, and look how we start the day with an all-out dump. The 5-minute RSI dipped down to the low 20s, and we bounced from 225.90. So we knew to be watching that support. The hourly time frame, we've been watching the 200-hour moving average support, and every time we approach this level, we're bouncing off of it, and the hourly support is lining up with the daily moving average support. We dipped well below it back 3 days ago, but it was a very, very strong bounce. And then we bounced off of it yesterday, bounced off of it today. So this 5-minute time frame showing us oversold conditions when we hit clear daily support is a clear bullish entry. And we saw 225.90 all the way up to 226.65, a 75-cent gain in less than an hour. So a really nice move. And from there, trading opportunity really dried up, back and forth, tight range, clearly forming lower highs. Bulls really struggling to turn anything around, and right here is when they changed the tone. That was it just after 2 p.m. Eastern, formed a higher low, and then the bulls controlled the rest of the day with a lot of bullish action to the upside. We were watching this hourly chart very closely because look at the past 2 days and the 100-hour moving average resistance, this blue line, and the pink line here, the 200-hour moving average support. Bounce off support pre-market, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rejections. Bounce off support at the end of the day. Rejections today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bounced off support. This range got tighter and tighter, and we got a clear bull break at the end of the day on some very nice bull volume comparatively. So we are looking bullish heading into tomorrow, 227 and 227.40. But again, this pattern on the 5-minute time frame, noticing patterns, it's like the bell rang today and we saw this dump again, and I said, are we really going to do this again? Is it really going to be this clear a bounce off that support again? Because you got to anticipate one of these times it's not going to see that clear a bounce, but today was the 4th time in 5 days, and you can go back and look at the past 5 days and the 5-minute time frame, when it dumped, how it reacted to daily moving average support, and certainly beneficial to utilize shorter-term time frames and indicators that signal oversold conditions lining up with key moving average supports on longer-term time frames, signaling bullish entry bounces. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Then we've got inauguration Friday, I should say, to end the week on the verge of all-time highs. We'll see if the bulls can push it through. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.